Once the assembly is complete, we subject the circuit board to a series of rigorous preliminary tests. These tests are designed to identify any potential issues early on and ensure that the board is functioning correctly before moving on to the next stages of production. After passing the test, we will manually apply the conformal paint to prevent the conformal paint from being applied to the seat and affect the connection and to protect the product. After the product assembly is completed, we will conduct the first test and comparison of the data of the whole machine. Our engineers scrutinize the inverter's safety features, ensuring that it is equipped with comprehensive protection, power inverter and EMP solar controller. We examine how the circuit board interacts with other components and systems within the inverter, such as the control unit, cooling system, and output interfaces. The data obtained from this integrated system test is then meticulously compared with the design, specifications, and performance benchmarks. We assess the inverter's ability to handle varying load conditions. This includes testing the inverter under different load scenarios to confirm its stability and ability to adapt to fluctuations seamlessly. Our engineers scrutinize the inverter's safety features, ensuring that it is equipped with comprehensive protection, power inverter and EMP solar controller, such as overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, and short circuit protection. These measures are vital to safeguard the inverter and connected equipment. Before packaging, our engineers will test again, ensuring that each inverter leaving our factory is of the highest quality. By conducting these comprehensive tests and meticulously comparing the data, we guarantee that our inverters meet and exceed the expectations of our valued customers.